Only one. I want to have the 100 one, and I want to have for 50 rupees also.
50 rupees one.
Yeah, 50 rupees and 100. Two. Wow. I want to eat more because I'm very hungry now. Okay. This looks so good. Wow. Can you see that? Okay, 50 rupees, no spicy, 100 spicy. Okay. Wow. नाम क्या है इसका नाम? Name of the fish. Name of the fish. Name.
Walla fish.
Walla fish.
Leaf.
Wow.
Leaf fish.
Eel fish. Eel fish. Okay. This is very long. More than 1 foot. Okay. I want to eat this one. 150. If this is very delicious, and I will buy one more. It's so amazing.
Like the spicy, eh?
Received Paytm payment of 35 rupees.
No spicy for 50 or spicy for 100. Brother, I have to. Hello, brother Rohit. Yeah, I buy two. One no spicy for you and spicy for me. Wow, it looks so good. Behind this Auroville Beach, we are going to have a very delicious piece.
We are enjoying together.
Together.
Very peaceful beach.
Very peacefully. They are the Auroville Beach.
These are lighter.
You are smoking too much.
This is going to fall. This is unable to.
Right here, behind this Auroville Beach. I believe that this is going to be a very good one. And you speak only Tamil.
Tamil or English?
Okay, Tamil or English. Yeah, wonderful.
Tamil and English?
Yeah, Tamil and English.
No, I only Tamil English.
Yeah, Anna is speaking only Tamil and English. No Hindi here.
Hindi थोड़ा बोलो.
हाँ, थोड़ा मालूम. He speaks Hindi very much.
हिंदी बोलो.
Yeah. North India से है ये लड़का. मैं नॉर्थ ईस्ट से मणिपुर से.
मणिपुर.
हाँ, very far. बहुत दूरी है यहीं से. Very far. This is mackerel, or what's the name of this fish?
This is para fish.
What fish?
Para.
Parrot. Okay. All right. I'm going to have a parrot fish. I'm enjoying. मैं मछली बहुत पसंद है. मछली. Fish is the best. Fish is the best non-veg food. I prefer fish more than chicken.
Enjoy.
You're enjoying. We have a very wonderful day. It's very windy
Otherwise,
here. Yeah, I can see lots of beautiful coconut tree. Wonderful day. So good. Wow. This is how we should spend in a sea beach. Having the local foods, having the very delicious fish that is freshly gets from the ocean, from the sea. This is going to be a very amazing, wonderful day. Right here, this is the spicy one. So we have ordered two. One for 100 rupees and one for 50 rupees. 100 is for spicy and the 50 rupees is for non-spicy. Non-spicy for my brother, and it's spicy for me because I love spicy. Wow! Shall we try now? It's wonderful. Okay, I will have the first bite. Wow, it's very good. I can smell ocean. Okay, I will try with the onion here. Not gonna lie, this is very delicious. You can try. It's not that spicy. You can try. Let me know if this is spicy or not. But it's very good. Good, right? Good. Very good. Like it. Oh my god. I can eat this all day.
Lemon. You need it?
Yeah, obviously. This is the lemon. Okay, too much. Enough. Okay, I will with the onion. Very great.
Good.
Good, very good.
Fresh.
Very fresh. Okay, this is the non-spicy. Here is the non-spicy. Here comes the non-spicy. This is for 50 rupees. And this is for 100. Okay, I will flip this now.
Lemon.
Okay, let's finish this. Thank you. There are so many birds here. Beautiful birds. Crow. How was it? So I'll check this 50 rupees as well. This also tastes good. There are same fish or different fish.
Different.
Okay, I want one more. 101. Because I want to have this as a lunch. Proper lunch. Wow, I can't believe that. It was too delicious and one is not enough. That's why I have purchased one more. Wow, it was too good. You know, the fish is freshly getting caught from this ocean, sea, and we are having right here. Right here. Another one. Here. Fresh. Oh, so good. Very good. Very, very good. Oh, all fish. I'm going to eat this. See here, no bones. Where's the best angle? See, no bones, only meat. Meaty. Delicious meat only. The last one. So good. This is it. I have eaten fish here for 250 rupees and it was so very cheap and it was super delicious. Actually, I want to eat one more, but that's okay. I want to eat something else. I mean, it was very good actually. So right here is the Auroville Beach, and along this right, we have this Anya. He is marinating the fish already and frying and cooking. Very fresh, very delicious. This will be very good for health as well. Now let's go to somewhere, the next spot. I have not decided yet, but let's see. Let's go. Now you are making for the fish. For the fish. Fish catching. Wow. You are a very hard worker. Alright, let's go to that point. Let's go to that point. There's so many fishing boats here, and the fish that I just ate a few moments ago was getting caught using these fishing boats. That's why it was so delicious. Okay, they're making so many fishing nets here. See, a lump of fishing nets. Wonderful. There are so many brave, hard worker fishermen living here. We should appreciate them. Their hard work should be fed up. Very beautiful. Right here, they are making nets, fishing nets, and I can see a helicopter flying over the sky on a very normal, beautiful day in Pondicherry. Okay, right now I'm going up there. Wow, what a wonderful place this Tetravet is. Wow. Again, your brother Rishi is having a very good time here on this Auroville Beach. Very good. I feel like I'm flying. You come here. So good. I feel like I'm flying over here on the top of this Tetravet.
Cheers to that, man.
Very nice beach, Auroville Beach. We were just driving anywhere. Alright, done. Thank you, brother. As I come up here, I met another solo traveler, a new brother from Bangalore, but I didn't ask his name. Brother, please tell me your name.
It's Vivek.
Vivek is a nice name.
Vivek, Rohit,
Vivek, Rohit, and Rishi. We just met by the bank of the Auroville Beach. Yeah, he has got a very nice bike. And Rohit, brother, he was driving and he was making a reels.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, and
So beautiful.
yeah, my newly met brother Vivek just subscribe to my channel. Now I have gained one more subscriber here. I'm so happy today. So every subscriber counts, and yeah, it's very emotional because I'm just a beginner. I just started, and people support me even when I'm not just nothing. So that's a very valuable and it's like I will never forget.
You have a bright future ahead.
Yes.
Yeah.
I am sure.
2026, 1 million followers. Mr. Rishi.
Oh my God, I would be in heaven.
Oh, nice time to be there. So
Yeah.
lucky.
So lucky. Very beautiful place, beautiful people. This is all about, traveling is all about, meeting new people, connecting with each other. That's all about.
Take one selfie.
All right, take a selfie from your phone. Let me turn off this video. Wow,
You can drink.
beautiful. I have found a coconut farm, but I cannot go inside because it is sealed. It is a protected area. But if I meet the owner of this property, I can ask him politely. Can I go inside? But there is no one here. So simply, I will make the coconut farm from this spot only. Wow, so many coconut tree here. Then there is the beautiful sea beach. Alright, this is the price of petrol in Pondicherry. Right now, we have arrived at a destination called Sri Aurobindo Ashram. This one, it's so beautiful, painted in blue. Alright, so I will go inside this ashram and I'm not sure video recording is allowed or not allowed. I don't know until I go and find out. Only after that I will know it's allowed or not. It's very beautiful. See? So let's go in. How beautiful is the windows? Even the windows is painted in very lively blue color. So beautiful. Now let's go. Alright, this is the entrance. Let's get inside. Yeah, I want to go. Okay, we have to remove the shoes. Alright, thank you. So according to the rule, we have to take off our shoes in order to go inside the ashram. This is a discipline, so right here I will take off my shoes now. After I remove my shoes, now I'm getting it inside. Hello, namaskaram.
Namaskaram.
Photography? Okay, switch off mobile. Okay, alright. So, photography is not allowed here. So, I will switch off my camera here. Yeah, I'm switched off. This is it. We have just come out of this ashram. And photography, this is strictly prohibited here. So, all I did was sitting there very quietly, doing some meditation. And there was some bookstore based on Sri Aurobindo. That's all I did. And after that, I just came out. That's all.